Rush, AR participant. Alexander Mulick, AR participant. Caleb Bigness, AR participant. Lucas Chappell, AR participant. Mia Clam, AR participant. Maddox Steffendahl, AR participant and handwriting award. Aiden Dush, AR participant. Bryn Gentry, AR participant and handwriting award. Xander Glover, AR participant. Sophia Hemingway, AR participant and handwriting award. Elsie Meyer, AR participant. John Malley, AR participant. Eli Newton, AR participant. Molly Overton, AR participant and handwriting award. Cameron Phillips, AR participant. Isaac Rogers, AR participant. Sophia Sharp, AR participant and handwriting award. Gabe Smith, AR participant and handwriting award. Wyatt Vincent, AR participant and handwriting award. Lucas Ward, AR participant. Carly Wilson, AR participant. And Ian Wood, AR participant. Congratulations, guys.
Good morning. This is something that I recognize the students from 1st to 5th grade for their hard work at AR. We always introduce the kiddos in kindergarten. But this year has been an exceptional year for the students that just get them motivated and excited about taking Accelerated Reader Awards. And I would like to thank Mrs. Byers for all of her hard work in allowing her kids to test. I have a special medal that will go out to Lydia Aldridge. She is the top reader with 9.8 points this year, so great job.
Thank you, Mrs. Byers' class.